Hello everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set price alerts on Robinhood so you can automatically get notified when a stock or ETF hits your buying or selling levels. I'll also walk you through how to set alerts based on the indicators like the 200-day EMA, which I personally use in my own strategy. Now, before we get into it, quick context. Last week, we started a 15-year challenge where I'm investing $50 into SCHD and $50 into IBIT every single week on a recurring basis. We set this up step by step in detail. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you go check it out. I also made another video on how to use Robinhood's Legends charts and indicators where we added the 50-day, 200-day EMAs and RSI on the charts. In that video, I mentioned that I'll be buying SCHG whenever it dips below its 200-day EMA on the daily chart. And now in this video, let me show you how to set those alerts inside Robinhood so you don't have to watch the chart every single day. The good news is you don't even need Robinhood Legend for this. It can be done directly in Robinhood app or in your browser. So here's how you do it. First, go to the stock or ETF you want to track. In my case, I'll take SCHG. At the top, next to the stock name, you'll see a little bell icon. Click on it and that will open the custom alerts pop-up. Now you see two options there, price alerts and indicator alerts. Let's start with the indicator alerts. Click on the add alert, then choose 200-day EMA. For alert type, select price falls below EMA. And for the interval, set it to 1 day, which means it's based on the daily chart. Now, whenever SCHG goes below its 200-day EMA, Robinhood will automatically notify me. Finally, click save and that's it. Now let's do a price alert. This is useful if you only want to get notified at key technical levels, either to buy at support or to sell at resistance. Click add alert, choose price moves below and enter your level. For example, let's say I want to buy SCHG. If it drops below $25, it also shows the current price here, which is $30.71 right now. Once I hit save, I'll now get notified if it ever drops below $25. That's it. Now you can do this for any stock or ETF you're watching. I'll personally be setting these alerts on SCHG, and whenever it dips to my levels, I'll be buying heavily to build long-term wealth. And remember, this ties right back into our 15-year challenge. The idea is to keep buying into safe, reliable ETFs every single week, while also having cash ready to take advantage of dips. Over time, this strategy can help us fund our kids' education, retirement, or even achieve financial freedom. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. And let me know in the comments what stocks or ETFs are you setting alerts on. I'd love to hear your strategy.